Hello everyone, and I am Slesha Gupta, and you are most welcome to my channel, Junior Coder. And today I'm going to tell you about the best Python interpreters which you can use, and you can compile your Python code online, so that you can use it on anywhere and any device. You need not download any software on your PC. So it might be helpful many a times to you when you might not be having a PC, or you might not be having enough space in your device, or you might face any technical issue. So you can just use your phone and you can continue your coding journey of Python. So let's start. So the first interpreter is for Python is the official one, which which many people have been using already, and it is released by the official Python website only. I'll be pasting the links in the description so that you can use it anytime. So this is the online Python console. You will get it on the official Python website, that is python.org. So here you can write the Python code as you want. I can show you a small demo. So that's how it's work. You can use it anywhere and on any device. So this was the first one. Let's go to the second. The second is Trinket.io. If you want, you can log in or sign up to these websites as well, so that your projects might be safe, so that you can use it any other time whenever you want. So over here you can try it out. Again, we'll write the same code. Yeah, so that's how you can run it. Let's go to the next. If you want some more details about this, or if you are facing any issues regarding the online interpreters mentioned in this video, you just feel free to ask in the comment section and I'll help you out there. So here a demo file is already created, and as you can see, uh, you can use it and you can run your project. The next one is last but not the least, Replit. And not only for Python, Replit is available for other languages as well. Like I have tried it myself, and you can use it. It is a nice tool. So here you can just click on run and you can check. So that's how your code runs. There are other languages, just like you can use it for JavaScript, C++, and many more, C# and all. So it's a nice software. I have tried it myself, so I can guarantee you that yeah, it is useful and helpful. And okay, let's get one more, the bonus one. um this. So I have researched a lot, and then only I'm telling you about these. So I think they are one of the best ones. So you need not worry about their functioning. You can choose from any of them. And if you ask me, I'll recommend you to use the first one, which I told you, which was the official one. If you're not comfortable with it, Replit is also a good example. And if you are comfortable with another one, no problem, you can use another as well. So this was the last one, and here as you can see, you can run your code, you can debug your code, and you can check. It is also available for other languages also, just like it is mentioned over here, it is for C++ also. So these are very helpful when you are not having any PC and you are very curious to learn to code. So you can just pick up your phone and you can just open your browser, and in your browser you can open these sites, these online compilers and IDs, and you can use them to continue your coding journey. So I hope that my today's video was helpful, and if you have any doubts, feel free to ask in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.